Alright, today we're going to take a look at a couple of locks that I've had sitting around for quite a while, and they're from Walmart. And I'm trying to learn a little bit about lock picking, so let's see if I can get into these two things. And this knife is one of my better ones. It is a cold steel, and it's German steel, made in Taiwan, or that's what it says anyway. It says German there, and it is the Peacemaker 2. Quite a nice knife, and it does have a sheath. So let's take a look at this one lock, or these two locks that I have. See if I can get into them. Now this one, as you can see, it's a 40mm padlock made. You can see where it's made. It's got a nice weight. It's about 6 ounces. And there are the keys. It is locked. And I'm going to try to get into this thing using this Z-bar. This is just a piece of metal in the shape of a Z. Just going to put it in there, put a little tension on the lock. And the pins are going down that way. I'm going to use this little lock pick. And I'm just going to push on the first pin, second pin, and you can see there it only took a little pushing on 2 pins out of 4 pins to get this Chinese made lock open. So there's the first one, and here's another one. And now this Brinks name is really a good name for the money carriers. You can see, you've seen the trucks rolling around this country. And this is also a 40mm made over there. It's about 6 ounces. It's got 2 keys. I'm going to try the same thing on this Brinks lock. I think this is about $5 at Walmart. So I'm going to put the Z-bar in the keyway, and the pins are facing down. They go that way. I'm going to use the same pick on this. I think there's 4 pins. I'm just going to push down lightly a couple of times. So I went all the way through, pushed down all 4 pins, and that didn't work. So what I'm going to do is turn this thing over and just stick it in the keyway and give it a shake. About 4 times, and that thing is open. So those are 2 cheap Chinese locks you can find at Walmart. But look at this new piece of equipment I got. Got this new sign. We're going to give it a try. And it lights up nice. It's got a bunch of different functions. You can change the colors, change the speed, how fast it transitions. And it does have a remote control. And it says need more cowbell, so let's give it some cowbell. I think that's enough. Knuckle bump.